Hello students, hope all are good and fine there. This is our second assignment. Okay, in first assignment I have given you the grammar part. In the second assignment also I have given you the grammar part. Here I have given you about the simple tense, simple present tense and simple past tense form. To complete the following sentences using the appropriate simple tense, simple present tense or simple past tense here. See here the first one. Okay, see here the first one. What is the sentence here? He is about playing with us. See, when the verb is given in the bracket there, where the verb is given in the bracket there, try to change the verb forms like think, thought, thinks. Either it might be plural form, either it might be the singular form. Actually the sentence is in simple present tense, so it will come as the V1 form only. Okay, it will come as the V1 form only. But as here the singular subject is there, he, so the verb form will come in the plural form. So the answer will be, he thinks he is about playing with us. He thinks he is about playing with us. Got it, students? See the next one, second sentence. She dash 2 pounds an hour. Here also singular subject is there. Okay, here also singular subject is there. So see here the verb form, what is here? Earn. So it will come in the plural form. So here comes he or she. Sorry. She earns. Okay, she earns 2 pounds. Okay, an hour. She earns 2 pounds an hour. See the third one. The plants, okay, the plants dash in the absence of water. The plants dash in the absence of water. See here, the plants in the absence of water. Actually the verb form here it is given as die. Okay, you can take it as the past form, V2 form. Why? What is the reason I am taking here past form, V2 form? See here, the plants died in the absence of water. Already the action has completed. The sentence is in the simple past form. So here I took the V2 form of died. Okay, see the next one. Fourth one. See the fourth one. What is the sentence here? He plants he dash English with an Irish accent. Means the way he communicates. Okay, the way he communicates. So what will come? Actually the verb here given is as the speak. Here the subject is singular. So the verb form will come in the plural tense. In the plural form. So it will come as he speaks English in an Irish accent. Okay. See the fifth one. See. Fifth question. The cold water dash my health. Here What is the verb given here in the bracket? Affect. But the subject is singular, so the verb form will come as in the plural form. Okay, so what will come? Affects. Okay, it will come as affects. Okay, see the next one, sixth one. What is the sixth sentence? They dash, they always agree. They always agree. So what is the verb given here in the sentence? What is the verb given in the sentence? See here. They do not quarrel. They do not quarrel. They always agree. Okay? They do not quarrel. As negative form is given here in the bracket, the verb, negative verb is given. Okay, negative form is given here. So I'll use the do form. So I'll write here, they do not quarrel. Okay, students? See the next one. Seventh one. What is the seventh sentence? Fatty foods dash with me. Fatty foods dash with me. So what will come here? Fatty foods not agree is given. The same pattern as in the sixth one. So what we will write? Fatty foods do not agree with me. So when we are writing the sentence in the simple present tense, we will not change the tense of the main verb in the sentence. We will just add the do form before the negotiation word, before the negative word here. Okay? See the eighth question. The teacher dash them an hour for their painting. An hour for their painting. So what is the verb given in the bracket? Allow. What is the verb given in the bracket? Allow. So what we will write the verb form? The teacher. The sentence is in simple past tense. First of all, you should identify the tense of the sentence. So what will come? V2 form? Allowed. Okay? Ninth one. See the sentence. Smoking dash. What is there in the bracket? What is there in the bracket? Not allowed. What is there in the bracket? We can't say that smoking is not allowed here. Can we say that? No, we can't say. So we have to write it in the negative form. So what I'll say? Smoking is not allowed. The sentence is in simple present tense. The sentence is in simple present tense. See the 10th one, the question. The twins dash alike. See here, the twins, subject is plural. So here in the bracket, look is given as the verb. When there is a plural subject, what we will write? We will write the verb in the singular form itself. So I will write the V1 form of look. So the twins look alike is the answer. The next one. See the next one. You alone You alone dash my secrets. See here, you alone dash my secrets. The verb given in the bracket is no. Okay, the verb given in the bracket is no. Here alone means it is a singular subject. So for singular subject we will write the, what we will write? You alone knows. Plural verb we will write here. So the right answer is knows here. Okay, see the 12th question. He dash his fortune amongst his 3 children. Amongst his 3 children. So the verb given in the bracket is divide. See, the word given in the bracket is divide. He dash his fortune. What he did? He divided his fortune amongst his 3 children, or he divided his fortune. See the sentence. We have to write it in the past tense. You know the story about this sentence already. He divided his fortune amongst his 3 children. So the sentence is in simple past tense. The sentence is in simple past tense. Here we have completed 12 questions. Students, if you have any doubts, you can clarify it, call me, or else you can WhatsApp me. Okay, students? So, thank you.